No, sir. We're going to be late to work. Because I'm stuck on this stupid bridge. I guess there's an accident. Some clown caused an accident. So this bridge is the only way I can get to work. All the way up there is wherever the accident is, where you can see those blinking lights. That's probably about a little bit over a mile from me, so it's going to take me probably 30 more minutes just to get up and over past that so I could haul ass and get to the job. Because I'm the type of person that I'm never late, I'm always early. Okay, let's see whatever this accident is, because it's 7:50, yes, 7:58, so I got 29 minutes before I have to be to work, and it takes me about 20 minutes to get to work after I get off the bridge. You know what's funny? The car in front of me is the exact same car I'm driving in, a 3.5 liter Altima SR. Damn. Hopefully they're okay. Just got off work, baby. I don't know what's going on here. Another car accident or something? You don't know how to drive in the rain. Oh, damn. Easy.
Please disable your hazard light.
That's crazy. They just told me to turn off my hazard lights. I only did that because there was a car accident there. I wasn't doing it for any other reason. I only did it because there might have been cars coming behind me, so people would be able to see me. That was all. That's the only reason why I had my hazard lights on, because I thought that's what you're supposed to. When someone comes up behind you, you have your lights on, so the next person behind you knows there's like an accident or something. But that's crazy to see another accident. The other one was on the bridge earlier this morning, and then this one, I thought when he was talking on his microphone, I was getting a ticket or something. I'm like, what the hell did I do? I didn't do anything wrong. But yeah, man, I did make it to work, but I kind of had to haul a little major butt to get to work on time. And luckily, the traffic was pretty much dead by the time I got off the bridge, so I could make it to work in time. But as always, guys, remember, it's weird. It rains a lot here in Florida, right? I would say it probably rains, 60% of the year? And people could still not know how to drive in the rain. People still drive crazy in the rain. It's just odd to me how bad people drive in the rain here when it rains as much as it does. Okay? But as always, that is my day. That is what I just encountered, was another accident. But as always, I'm Trevor, and I'll see you guys in the next one.